Aunt Gertrude, you darn socks just like my mama.
That's because we had the same teacher, your grandmother Annis.
I want to be just like Mama. I'm afraid I might forget her. Is it supposed to be that way?
I can promise that any direction your life might take, your mother will always be in your heart. I can remember my mama doing something as simple as picking flowers or pouring a cup of tea. 11 years old today. How does it feel?
Really, well, it doesn't really feel any different than being 10. I was just sure it would feel different.
Well, you'll find that things do not change in life very often. Suddenly you're 40 years old and time has marched on. It's up to God's creatures, such as we, to make the best of it. I'm sorry that I could not have a proper birthday party.
Aunt Gertrude, the only part of this adventure I want to be different is to have Mama and Papa here with us. How many other 11-year-old girls experience something so exciting?
Esther, sometimes what comes out of your mouth makes me forget that you're only 11 years old.
Done. Not very pretty, but I don't think Henry will mind.